Hey guys, what's going on? This is just a super quick tutorial on how you can get started working on the PNWCSClub website. So the website is currently up on GitHub, but it's a private repository because there are some secret keys and things associated with Django that we don't really want to expose to the public. So you'll have to have an account on GitHub to be able to access the repository, and you'll have to message me on Discord. My name is Strange Quark, and just message me your username and then I can add you to the list of people who have access to the GitHub page. And yeah, once you have access to the page, you're gonna need at least 3 tools. You're gonna need Git, obviously, you're gonna need pip, and you're gonna need Python. So we can check to make sure that we have all 3 of these here. And I'm not going to tell you guys how to get these. Obviously there's 1,000 tutorials on the internet on how to download all these. So once you have all 3 of those downloaded, you can go ahead and clone the repository. HTTPS GitHub. And it's going to ask you to log in. Okay, it looks like we're done downloading. So once we're done downloading, here we are. I just downloaded it to my desktop. We can go ahead and look inside of here. Obviously this is the main source code right here. So what we want to do is go back to here, and we're going to cd into there, and we're going to cd once more. Okay, so now we're in here. We can list what's going on, and the first thing that we want to do is we want to activate the virtual environment. Again, if you don't know what a virtual environment is, it's a pretty standard thing that you use in Python. And there's, again, 1,000 tutorials on YouTube and Google, everywhere else. So just make sure you look up what a virtual environment is. And once you understand how virtual environments work, and you get to this point, then we can go ahead and activate our virtual environment. And I'm using Windows 10. This will be slightly different if you're using Linux. So I'm not very good with Linux. As a matter of fact, I've only ever worked with Windows Sub Linux 2, so I'm gonna assume that you guys are working in Windows 10. So we can go ahead and activate that, and then we want to pip install everything in the requirements.txt file. And this is downloading Django and all of the sub-packages that we need. And just once we have this downloaded, then everything should work just fine. Any minute. Okay, so now that everything is installed, theoretically we should be able to launch the server. So we want to type python manage.py and runserver. Okay, it looks like our server is now running on our local machine. So what we can do is we can open Chrome and we can go to, here's the address where we're running at, but another way to type 127.0.0.1 is you can just type localhost. So we're going to go to localhost and we're going to go to port 8000, and here we are. So here's the website, and the good thing about working with Django is, well, I don't have a text editor like Adam on this machine. I use my laptop because I don't have any of this on here and I wanted to do it as a fresh install. But what you can do is you can open this project in Adam, and as you make changes to the files and you save, they will automatically get updated here, and this will automatically refresh itself. So yeah, this should be a good way to get started. And if you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll probably put up another video kind of explaining everything that's going on in here. But this is just a video. If you have experience with Django already and you just want to download this project and get going with it, then this is the video for you. So thanks.